Hi, everyone. Do you wait for the bus every day?
Today we will show you how to talk at the bus stop in English.
It is very easy. Let's start together. Hi, Henry. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, Emma. I am waiting for bus number 5.
Bus number 5? That goes to the city center, right?
Yes, it goes to the city center.
Bus number 5 goes to the city center.
Good. This sentence is very useful. Do you take the bus every day, Emma?
Yes, I take the bus every day.
The bus is fast and easy.
The bus is fast and easy.
Easy sentence. Use it daily.
Henry, is the bus late today?
Yes, it is a little late.
Sometimes the bus is late. Good sentence for daily life. Henry, who is that man over there? That is Mr. Smith. He is my neighbor. He takes the same bus every morning.
Yes, every morning. Very common sentence.
Do you talk to him?
Yes, sometimes I talk to him.
Talking is good practice.
Yes, talking helps you learn English.
Look, here comes the bus.
Yes, the bus is coming now.
Let's get ready.
Emma, do you have your bus card?
Yes, I have my bus card.
Always carry your bus card.
Important sentence. Remember it. The bus is stopping here.
Yes, it stops at every bus stop.
Good to know. Henry, do you pay for the bus?
Yes, I pay with my card.
Paying with a card is easy.
Very easy sentence.
The bus is crowded today.
Yes, crowded means many people.
Crowded means many people.
Good explanation.
Henry, look at that old lady.
Let's give her our seats.
Yes, always be polite on the bus.
Very important lesson.
The bus door is open. Let's get in.
Be careful.
Thank you, Henry, and
You're welcome. Emma, where do you like to sit?
I like to sit near the window.
Near the window's nice.
I can see outside. Henry, do you like the bus ride?
Yes, it is comfortable and easy.
Comfortable means you feel good.
Simple and useful meaning.
Look at the traffic outside.
Traffic is heavy today.
Heavy traffic means many cars.
Good daily English.
Henry, the bus is moving now.
Hold the handrail.
Always hold the handrail for safety.
Emma, do you know your stop?
Yes, my stop is next.
Always know your stop.
The bus is stopping at...
Time to get off.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Emma, was the bus ride good?
Yes, it was easy and comfortable.
Very good sentence.
What time is it now?
It is 8:30 in the morning.
Time sentences are very important.
Emma, do you like the bus or the train?
I like the bus. It is near my home.
Near my home. Good phrase.
Henry, do you know the bus schedule?
Yes, the bus comes every 15 minutes.
Useful information. Henry, what if the bus is full?
Then we wait for the next bus.
Always be patient.
Good advice.
Can we ask the driver questions?
Yes. For example, does this bus go to the city center?
Very useful question. Henry, what if we miss our stop?
We get off at the next stop.
Simple and clear. Do you like the bus driver?
Yes, he is kind and helpful.
Kind and helpful. Nice words. Henry, the bus stop is a good place to practice English.
Yes. Talking every day helps you learn.
Henry, let's say goodbye.
Okay. See you tomorrow at the bus stop.
See you tomorrow.
Remember, friends, practice English every day.
Always be confident.
Don't forget to subscribe, Mastery in English, like, and comment.
See you next time.
Bye.